Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got a plan here for PYPL. So PYPL is set up to test 84 on the low end to 86 to perhaps 90 on the high end. Now, it can actually be better than 90. But really, I want to see how we get to 86, and when that happens, I will also have to I will look at the situation. But these are the targets that at least I think I can get to. This being the low end, okay. On the high, okay. So I will explain this inside the video. What options I plan to use now. That's exactly right. The options I plan to use in PYPL, well, I'm going to be posting that inside of Power Group Trade. So we'll see the same chart, but we're going to see my option plan and what my confirmation numbers are. So before we enter PYPL needs to, I will explain inside the video. So that's right, people. I will be posting what PYPL needs to do. Let me show you something, people. Let me show you something. You should check out this video, a really good story. I posted this Google L plan. Let me show you, people. Give me 1 second. I posted this Google L plan with all the instructions, meaning the options. You should check out this video if you're new. All the options, even the confirmation was explained inside the video, and the outcome. Well, I'm going to post the outcome video right inside this video here what's it called? This where it's labeled May the 9th here. Oh, sorry. Well, let's post it here 3 hours. Actually, today is May the 10th. Google. This is a great video. I'm going to post this for you to see, but you should check it out. Let me show you. So, if you want to become a subscriber, if you want to subscribe inside of Power Group Trades, what you need to do, and you should go into let's go to my YouTube channel. I'll show you what to do. All right, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. So what you want to do, people, is go check out my May 09 live stream. In the beginning there, it'll tell you how to become a follower inside of Power Group Trades. It's for people that are serious. And again, you should check out the Google. You'll understand more the Google plan that's going to be in this video. I'll explain you how. So if you don't have a YouTube account, I suggest you subscribe and get one. I do live streams. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. See this picture of me? You're going to see it in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. You should check out this created playlist, and I'll tell you more inside the video. So yeah, I'm going to give you, again, in the video, at the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format, and then another video that'll line up, and that'll be the video that I want you to see. It's this one right over here, but I'm going to put it inside to make it easy for you to click on. Make sure you click your subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and then check out this video. It's pretty simple to get inside of Power Group Trades. Just listen to the video carefully here, and use your mind, think carefully, and it won't take you very long. But only if you're serious and you really like what I do I only take people in. But you have to prove that, and the video tells you a little bit what you need to do. It's pretty simple. All right, so let's see what I say.
Power Trigger Trade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like